Hello world, good morning. Today I wanted to start exploring with you an idea that I have personally found to be the most useful in helping me figure out a new entrepreneurial venture to pursue. It's the framework and tool called Ikigai, which comes from Okinawa in Japan. And what I love about this tool is that it asks you to find and search for the intersection between four things, crucial elements that ought to be there for any entrepreneurial adventure that's worthwhile to pursue. So the four components in Ikigai are what it is that you are passionate about, what it is you love, what it is that you are good at, what the world needs, and lastly, what there is a market for. And this framework of Ikigai suggests that at the intersection of these four things, your passion, your abilities, what the world needs, and what it's willing to pay for, that's where you should focus your entrepreneurial attention. And personally, I found this framework to be very helpful. I know at different points in my life, I focused on perhaps just a few of these. And what's great about the Ikigai model is that it suggests that even where a few of these areas overlap, that there's a worthwhile project to pursue, something that can bring value to your life and/or value to the world. But that when it comes to thinking about your entrepreneurial venture, what it is that you will do, that you will love, that will give you purpose and bring value to the world, that you should start thinking about the intersection of these four things. And what's great about it is that this is a model that it's not just a one and done exercise and tool, because there's always new skills to be learned, new passions that you can develop. The world is constantly changing, so its needs will change and the markets will change. But if you're constantly coming back to this Ikigai formula and asking yourself, what do I love? What am I good at? What does the world need? What will the world pay for? That in that intersection, you can start to find your next entrepreneurial project. So let me know what you think about Ikigai. Is this a tool or a framework that you've used in your work and business? And I will talk to you all soon. See you all later. Thanks for joining us today. Please don't forget to subscribe, review, and share this show. If you'd like exclusive content and behind-the-scenes insight, for just $4 a month, you can support us at buymeacoffee.com. Now, go make it a great day. Ask me why.